Did you know someone can disappear for 3 years while surrounded by hundreds of people? In 2006, bailiffs broke into Joyce Vincent's London apartment, expecting to find a woman behind on rent. Instead, they found her skeleton sitting on the couch with the TV still playing. She had been dead for 3 years. Joyce lived above a busy shopping mall. Hundreds of people walked below her apartment every day. Her neighbors lived just feet away through thin walls. But here's the strangest part. Joyce was young, beautiful, and had many friends. Yet no one reported her missing when she vanished completely from their lives. Her rent kept getting paid automatically. Her heating bills too. Mail piled up outside her door, but everyone assumed someone else was handling it. Her family thought she was just living her life somewhere else. The coroner never figured out how she died. This case proves how easy it is to disappear in plain sight in our modern world. Could someone in your building vanish without you noticing? Follow for more chilling mysteries that will keep you awake tonight.